Hulk lets out a primal yell, his muscles swelling as he grabs a wrecked car from the rubble, its twisted frame groaning under his grip. He hoists it overhead, rain streaming off its rusted hood, and hurls it at the T-800 with a grunt of effort. The vehicle spins through the air, a deadly projectile cutting through the storm. The Terminator sidesteps with calculated precision, its movement smooth despite the dented armor, and the car crashes into a nearby wall with a thunderous explosion of glass and steel, shards scattering across the flooded street. The T-800 pulls a shotgun from its back with a metallic clang, unloading a volley of buckshot into Hulk's legs with a series of sharp bangs. The pellets tear into the green giant's flesh, and he staggers, green blood mixing with the rain pooling around his feet. But his rage only grows, his roars deepening as he rips a steel beam from the skeleton of a collapsed building. He swings it like a club, the air whistling around the makeshift weapon as it connects with the T-800's arm, bending the hyperalloy with a sickening crunch that reverberates through the ruins. The machine adjusts its stance, grabbing the beam mid-swing with its free hand and twisting it violently, forcing Hulk to release it with a grunt of frustration. The T-800 uses the momentum to slam the beam into Hulk's gut, the impact eliciting a deep, pained grunt as the Gamma-powered Titan stumbles back, clutching his midsection and glaring with renewed fury. The rain intensifies, lightning illuminating the battlefield in stark white flashes as Hulk's eyes narrow. The blue glow from his form brightens, a surge of gamma energy crackling in the air around him, his anger reaching a fever pitch. He leaps onto a crumbling overpass, his weight causing the structure to groan and crack under the strain. With a roar that shakes the foundations, he rips the overpass apart, his hands tearing through steel and concrete with ease. Chunks of debris rain down on the T-800 below, each piece crashing with a thud and crunch as the machine raises its arms to shield itself. Dust billows around it, obscuring the scene for a moment, but Hulk seizes the chaos. He drops down with a thunderous crash, the ground splitting beneath his feet, and grabs the T-800's legs in his massive hands. With a heave that strains his muscles, he hurls the machine into a nearby building, the structure collapsing in a massive cloud of dust, splintered wood, and twisted metal. The Terminator emerges from the rubble, its chassis sparking and smoking, dragging one damaged leg with a louder, more labored hydraulic hiss. It fires a point-blank plasma shot into Hulk's chest, the blast burning a deep gash that sizzles and smokes, sending tendrils of steam into the rain. Hulk roars in pain, clutching the wound as green blood streams down his torso, but he retaliates with a devastating uppercut, his fist connecting with the T-800's jaw and lifting it off the ground.